So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go straight to your phone menu and try to search for Facebook app or FB app. So when you find this, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on app info, and now when you get to your app info, what you have to do over here is to tap on the permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. So as you can see, everything permission is allowed over here. Don't let the permissions or one of these to get denied. After that, go back, tap on notifications, and make sure the show notification is still good on. So as you can see, every notification is still good on over here. After doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on. After doing this, go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. So after clearing the cache, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. Try to search for FB or Facebook. Now what you have to do is to tap on the Facebook app. Make sure you get the latest update of this Facebook app. So if you've not get the latest update, then try to update it. After that, lastly, you have to tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on restart, then after that you tap on OK, and you are going to get your phone off, and it's going to turn on automatically, and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.